So, good day. Ako nga pala si Nicole Den Formelosa from BIS IT3E and nandito ako para explain sa inyo ang structured cabling system. So, kung makikita nyo na ito yung kabuuan or overall ng gawa ko. Ayan. Which is a building with 8 na floor. So, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo yung loob niya or para mas mabilis yung top view. So, makikita natin dito yung ibang parts ng structured cabling system. First is itong work area, which is itong mga computer. Ayan. Next one is itong telecommunications cabinet. Okay. So, para mag-connect itong work area sa telecommunications cabinet, nilagyan ko siya ng dalawang switch, which is itong dalawang pula. And kung makikita nyo, itong mga wire na to, ang tawag dito is horizontal cabling. Okay. So, from switch naman to telecommunications cabinet, ayan. Ang tawag naman dito is backbone cabling. So, makikita din natin dito, meron din ditong backbone cabling. I-explain ko sa inyo kung bakit may ganito na papunta sa baba. Ayan. So, next naman is, ayan. So, makikita natin dito kung bakit may pababa na wire or backbone cabling. It is because, itong mga backbone cabling na to, hanggang pababa yan, from 8th floor hanggang first floor, and nakakabit yan dito sa equipment room or entrance facility. Ayan, pag sinum natin, ayan, ito yung itsura ng equipment room. So, yung simula 8th floor hanggang 2nd floor, even itong first floor, meron ditong work area, kung makikita nyo, and switch, ayan, telecommunications cabinet. Lahat ng telecommunications cabinet is nakakabit dito sa equipment room. Okay. Ayan. Kaya merong telecommunications kada floor para hindi lahat ng work area is nakakabit sa isang equipment room lang. So, kumbaga, na-divide siya. And then, itong wire na to is for entrance of the building. Okay. So, ayan. So, itong first floor yung equipment room and the rest of the floor, ayan. Ayan. Ito yung kabuuan. So, yun lang po for structured cabling system. Thank you for watching.